Okay, I'm back. I'm working in the lab again, still cooking. Our lab has cabinets in it, and the I have an air conditioning rester out here, LED lights, and kind of a unique garage. Just got through redoing the ceiling and installing the cabinets and doing other work. But anyway, it's wraparound cabinets. And there's a stairway up into the attic, and I'll show you what we're doing up there later time. Anyway, in the lab, and I've already got everything pretty much prepped. I've got the fresh strawberries. When I lick the spoon off, oh my God, that homemade strawberry jelly. One of the members at the post gave us that, and wow, let me tell you, it's some good stuff. Got everything preheated, pre-done. Put just a little bit of milk, 2 eggs, and salt and pepper, and got that all mixed together good. Fresh butter. I've already buttered the English muffins. So anyway, I'm going to take that and I'm going to drop those in the pan and get those working. And anyway, I just heard while we're getting that going, this is Angel Cakes. Say hello, Angel. Yeah, how are you? Angel is just a joy of our life. We call her Cakes for short. And anyway, she likes to look out to see what's going on from the lab. It's the car I'm restoring. And she likes to get up here and look out and watch me do stuff. I got to mow the yard today and weed eating edge, and we've been working so hard. We hadn't done as much in the yard gardening and stuff. We've just been maintaining. I've got to repaint this garage door. The floor I'm standing on is concrete, and anyway, it's got an epoxy seal on it. And when we first did it, the cats and dogs and everything thought they were walking on water. They said, "Oh no, you're going to throw us in a swimming pool." And but anyway, it's kind of neat. So anyway, back over here to seeing what's working, and I keep the English muffins, like I said, in the freezer, and so I just put them on a little plate like that and microwave them 15 seconds aside, and that softens them up and doesn't make them rubber or anything. Then I cut them in half with a knife, and so anyway, I'm just getting that warmed up. Get those brown up pretty good, and a lot of times, sometimes I'll do the English muffins in the toaster after they're cut in half, but this time I'm doing it on the grill. On the little stove top. This new wave, I started using this on my sailboat, and it worked out so well. We got 3 of them now in our family, and really like the new wave. It's a precision inductive cooktop. It holds whatever temperature. It'll boil water almost instantly. You do have to have inductive rated pans, which means they have iron content cladded into the bottom of it, where the vibration from the energy will heat up the pan. But really like cooking with this style unit. And so anyway, I want to take it and flip it over and not get them too much, but that way the backside will be a little bit buttered. And we do eat a lot of butter in this household, but we like fresh soft butter when we're doing it. And just a little bit of brown there to get that started, and I'm just going to warm up the backside. Yeah, it's enough to warm her up, make them soft. And then I'm going to take that, Put that right over here, one on that side, and one on that side. And build it right there like that. Alright. Now, pretty simple. I'm going to take my mixture and just pour it right there on top of there. Get all the goody salt and pepper out of there. And while that's doing that, I'm going to pour water on that. But that's what I got going. And we'll go in here in the kitchen. And put some water in that. Let that run. Pour it out. Let it run again. Hello, somebody calling. It's not my phone, so it doesn't matter. I'll just leave that there. Okay, that's all the utensils. Got my little fresh plant right there for herbs growing. And we'll get back here to the cooking. Alright, now I'm just going to put my cheese on top of it. Just like that. Get my cheese all melting on there good. And that's the way we'll do that. And you kind of start off making it like an omelet with a soft scrambled egg and the cooking slow. Get your cheese melting on it. And then, just as before it dries off, you stir that puppy around, just like that. And hold that all in there real good. Alright. Alright. Kind of hard to do that. But showing it on camera. Anyway, I'm going to pour that right out of the pan. Right there. And go immediately to the sink, because I don't like to scrub. Hot water down on that. Cheese, if you're doing production cooking, really can mess up the pan. That'll just take a minute to take trouble and clean that up. And then we'll just turn off and clear that and kind of do some rearranging here. And pretty nice breakfast pretty quick. And that's all there is to it. That's a New Wave 2. It's precision cooker, induction, cooktop. And if you don't have one, you should have one. So anyway, I'm going to go serve this and give you the feedback later. Good day.